Good medical morning. Today, we're going to talk about how you can sponsor a video to promote your channel or product, so stick around. This is Watson, and you're watching World's Greatest Medical. With over 2 billion views across several YouTube channels, I'd like to thank everyone who's helped make our health videos a huge success. You've made us one of the most popular online medical groups in the world. On screen, I'm going to show you highlights from some of the most popular clips, discussions, and procedures. But first, can you identify this successful medical professional? If you know the answer, leave a comment below. So if you're looking to sponsor a video, have us do a product review, or channel shoutout, please contact us at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. We'd love to take a look at your products and see if they fit with our standards. Just put our channel name in the subject line of your email, then tell us a little bit about what you'd like to promote. Then we'll get back to you. It's that easy. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you subscribe for new videos all the time, and hit the bell. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.